It was there on your lodge. I have a resting face.
Which one is that?
Yes.
That's a personality.
I said except your friends, so I went not under 17.
ubona manjoka yo.
It's okay. It's okay.
Lying about. Well, we all know you will get away with it. But we know the truth.
Then education. All the A-level now. A-level in 1920 points.
Icho.
She was keeping the important information hidden. No, Palomuda will ambivert. We are your man.
Bachelor of Laws honors. Because my diploma.
Yeah.
Culinary arts diploma.
You.
Millennial fellowship certificate.
You.
Yali leadership certificate.
You. You.
Personality, please hold on to your seats. I'm an ambivert. I'm babbling. I'm open-minded. I'm really loud. I'm emotional.
Volume.
Volume.
I'm an old romantic.
Explain.
Odd.
Explain.
Odd.
Explain. Speed dating. Code you.
Then I am regal. I'm very generous. I'm very picky. I'm regal. I'm royal.
Rigo.
I'm stubborn. I can get very annoying. Aries. I'm loyal. Sure, I should have put that in script. I'm loyal. I'm principled. I'm passionate. I'm creative. I'm a very huge perfectionist. And I'm prone to burn out a lot. Then my values.
I know. Because I always have to go with it.
Like a husband, you know. Then my values. I was given my values. I value my peace. I value my personal space. I value my business. I value your business as well.
Important.
Okay.
So let's say she's a safe space.
As a legal practitioner, it's my business to do your business. So I mind your business.
Okay. It's okay.
How will your business?
Feel you, darling.
I'm done.
How many lawyers